What's up, everybody? So here we go. We've got something very exciting for you. As we've grown Keegan Linear Media, we've gone from just web design to podcast host to YouTube channel, tutorials, and all the different things. Coming up soon, within the next few months, we're going to launch our very first course, the WordPress Foundation course, and we're super excited for that. But with that, we needed a new home, right? KeeganLinearMedia.com is becoming too cluttered. And I think that most people aren't what you and I are. If you're watching this, I know that you're a designer, you're a developer, you're someone who's trying to build your side hustle, and we need a place just for you. So we're creating the Academy, the KeeganLinearMedia.com Academy. And it's going to be academy.keeganlinearmedia.com. And it's going to have all of the layouts, all of our courses, links to our podcast, the whole thing. It's all going to be there as a hub for you designers to get those resources that you need to make epic websites. So we want to walk you through kind of what it looks like in its infancy. So as you can see here, we've got the Academy branding by Keegan Linear Media. You've got links to all of our socials, but we've got the Divi layouts, the courses, our blog, and podcast. Now, when you go to this site, you've got a few options. You can obviously get courses. We're going to have the individual layouts for sale, but we're also going to have memberships where you can go lifetime or you can pay by the year. Your choice. As we scroll through the site, you're going to see kind of what the Academy has. It just gives you more of an idea. The Divi layouts, the WordPress courses, the written tutorials that are going to be blog posts as well. We've got the Divi Addicts podcast linked up here again, and then the video tutorials which take you back to this YouTube channel. And it tells a little bit about me at the bottom, kind of my story, how long I've been doing it, a little bit about me, and a link back again to the YouTube channel, which is ultimately going to be one of the great free resources and one that's impactful because you can see what's going on. So we wanted to introduce you to the Academy, show you what's coming up soon as a member of this tribe. You're one of the people that's going to get the sneak peek, way before anyone else. So we wanted to send this out. We wanted to share it with you. We look forward to launching this. It's going to be fun. So stick around and we'll let you know as soon as it launches.